Hi, welcome aboard.
I became involved with Volkswagens when a good friend of mine had a 1966 Beetle and just became very interested in what they were all about, the quality and the workmanship. So after that, I got hired as a Volkswagen mechanic at a Volkswagen dealership.
My true devotion to this car came through a 56 Beetle that I bought to restore. And it really was restoring it and observing all the fine details and true craftsmanship that these cars have, where I developed a true passion for it.
My first restoration project was a 1955 convertible. The whole project was a huge learning process. It was a 5-year project that ended up being painted 3 times, had 3 different tops on it. And back then, knowledge was scarce and the parts quality was not up to the standards that I thought it should be, or they were not readily available. For instance, I ended up buying a complete door just to get the vent wing rubber from it because vent wing rubbers weren't reproduced then. So restoration back then was more difficult, and I realized that there was a serious need for high quality Volkswagen restoration parts, and that's the reason why I started Wolfsburg West.
Wolfsburg West specializes truly in stock restoration parts for the Volkswagen Beetle and Bus all the way through 1979. We have over 4,000 parts available for your Volkswagen. What separates Wolfsburg West from virtually every other Volkswagen restoration parts shop is our devotion to these cars and the fact that we offer quality restoration parts for Volkswagen automobiles.
We try and carry everything that we could possibly put our hands on that is quality, that is involved in restoring your car.
At Wolfsburg West, we offer many types of parts. We offer new old stock parts, we even have some good used parts, and of course we have our own reproduction parts. All in all, we always try to supply the original components.
If we can find the original supplier, then it makes our job a lot easier because they know what it takes to make it correctly. They've already had to do it for Volkswagen. And most of the times, that's what we're after. If we can't find the original supplier, which has become harder to do as time goes by, then we'll hire a company that does that same sort of process and work with them to produce the highest quality part, as close to original as possible.
Our main goal when it comes to reproducing a part is truly to make it as original as possible, keeping all the original details, and in many cases, we're even able to improve upon it. Our parts are going to make your car look as good or better than the original.
Why don't you come inside and have a look around? This is my wife, Carla. She pretty much runs the show around here. She takes care of all of the accounting end of it. This is Ron's office. He's on the phone, so we have to be really quiet. This is our conference room. One of the things I like to collect is color charts, and on the walls you see some that I have. On this wall here we've got a couple of posters that were used in dealerships that depict different factory settings. This is a poster that was shown in the dealerships. In 1954 they went from the 25 horse to the 30 horse, and as you can see they added 5 more horses. This is a couple of posters that I've collected that are from the original advertising agency. The pencil sketches below are the original workups, and the posters are the final outcome of the ad. In this one you can see where they actually changed the tagline to something different. In fact, on this one too you can see that the advertising agency's name is on the plate, VDB. I won first place at the very first Volkswagen Classic in Irvine, and that's the plaque I got. I got a trophy for it too. This is for sponsorships that we did. This is our warehouse. The size is approximately 28,500 square feet. We receive parts daily. We import from all over the world. Germany, Mexico, Brazil are probably our biggest 3 suppliers. Our goal is to just achieve the best quality we can possibly get. We always try and get the original quality from the original manufacturer if we can. If we can't, then we're going to sell the best quality we can possibly get. And a lot of times we'll let the customer know that we've got a second quality that is a lot less expensive, but is still a quality product. It's just cheaper, and for the people doing an economy restoration, it works out well. We try and cover as much as we can as far as quality. We try and carry the best.
Let's see, they're $8 a piece your cost.
The order process starts with the order being printed on our pick list printer. We do a fair amount of internet orders too. From here it's taken by an order puller and pulled, checked 3 times, and then boxed. From there, the order is sent to our shipping computer into the software. The total weight's added on. It also makes the determination of how exactly we're going to ship it, if we're going to go priority mail or UPS or FedEx. We use all of them. It just depends on the weight and the size of the package, and out the door it goes. The orders are shelved by actually 2 numbers. We use a bin location and we use the original Volkswagen part number. When the pick list prints, it's printed by the bin location, and when we check the order, we're checking it by the actual Volkswagen part number. This way, if one person makes a mistake, then the checker will find it when he's checking by the other number, which cuts down on mistakes and ensures that the customer gets the correct parts. As you can tell, we all wear multiple hats around here. Everybody's got a specific job, but then again, everybody can do everybody else's job. And quite honestly, that happens a lot. As you can see, guys, with cordless phones, many times we're taking orders as we're packing orders just so that we can get an order out the same day. One of the many perks of working at Burg West is getting popcorn.
The biggest advantage of restoring a car, aside from improving upon its beauty, is to maintain or even increase the value of it.
And the parts are just very reasonably priced compared to others. It's a very economical car to restore. And secondly, it's a very simple car.
They're simple. They're like an erector set. It really is.
And I like to think that Burg West has now made that a lot simpler, just for the fact that you can call up and talk to a knowledgeable salesperson.
Each and every individual that works at Burg West is truly dedicated, not only to this business, but to the hobby. If you're just getting into restoring your car and you want to know where to start, give us a call. We've all been there before. We know what you're going through. We know how to do it.
Everybody here knows what they're doing. They all drive these cars daily.
Anybody here can answer any question related to your car, installation or otherwise.
And we can really give you the support that you need to order the correct part.
Ordering from Burg West is simple.
You can place an order with Burg West in several ways.
You can pick up the phone, give us a call.
You can send in an order, you can fax in an order.
You can even shop online.
By far, the easiest is to go online and do it. We've got over 3,000 pictures of all of our products on the internet.
And due to the volume of our inventory, we're able to ship parts on a daily basis. In fact, if you place your order before 3:30, we can ship it out the same day. We take great care in packaging orders here at Burg West. Here at Burg West, what we ultimately want to provide is the best quality and the best service possible, and to give our customers what they truly deserve, quality parts.